Every premium sneaker begins with raw materials selected with zero tolerance for flaws.
Each hide is inspected by touch, because machines still can't judge texture like a trained hand. Every layer must maintain perfect consistency before assembly ever begins. Outsoles start as simple thermoplastic rubber pellets, nothing fancy yet.
Heat, pressure, and timing transform the pellets into outsole-grade material.
Precision molds ensure traction patterns are identical across pairs.
A few seconds of pressure imprint the signature of the shoe.
From molten form to solid function in under a minute.
With core materials ready, the assembly journey begins.
The system immediately updates the inventory status. This one is cleared for shipping.
Every part is logged, time-stamped, and assigned a production route. Autonomous vehicles move components deeper into the manufacturing grid. Routing algorithms optimize every meter to cut wasted movement.
Keep it coming, watch that side. We're clear, go ahead and lock it up.
Multi-floor factories rely on synchronized vertical transport. Now on the prep floor, materials enter the staging network. Automation handles the transitions with speed and precision. Each material splits into its assigned workflow channel. Conditioning prevents cracking during stitching and shaping.
Mesh uppers to pre-stretch station. Pre-stretching ensures a consistent fit across all sizes.
Temperature stabilization is critical before bonding.
Every component converges at a single intake for assembly sequencing. From here, the transformation from parts to product begins.
Before assembly, every surface must be flawlessly clean to ensure perfect bonding.
Human touch still corrects what machines can't detect. Millimeter-perfect alignment ensures components fit without tension later.
Sorting by size at this stage keeps the assembly flow uninterrupted.
Shape consistency determines how the shoe hugs the foot.